It's blowing pretty good now.
I can almost tell you probably seemed like you didn't take that off before then, right?
Huh?
Think you took that one off?
No. No, remember I told you we couldn't get over here?
What?
Yeah, we couldn't get over here that one time, and I don't think we came back over to here. Because we came here, I think we started over here, but we never came back over here.
That definitely will restrict it, correct? Obviously.
What?
Yeah. That will restrict it, so now
Oh,
you've got great air.
Yeah, yeah.
Can we clean it while we're here though still?
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll be up, so, all right, do you wanna take care of the,
No, I'll send the reverse through there right now.
because we don't wanna leave you up there by yourself.
You want to hold the ladder and I'll go up there with the blower motor?
Yeah. That solar just definitely came out first of all.
I'll take a picture.